Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are discussing important current affairs for the topic awards and recognition for June month. It will be quite important session for you all, so stay tuned with us till the end. You will be learning a lot of new information today. Let's start. The first is India has received 2 Dash Awards in the category Coordination and Communication from the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah, Saudi Arabia for outstanding Hajj management. So what are the awards? Received 2 Lebetam Excellence Awards. Right, this is for managing the Hajj that took place lately. Right, Hajj 2026 from India commenced on 18th of April with 1.75 lakh pilgrims undertaking the pilgrimage to Saudi Arabia. Right, and India's recognition was strengthened by technology driven measures such as Hajj Suvidha application. Hajj Suvidha application that was managing the pilgrims that are going there. Then smart wristbands. Right, so India used tech in order to manage all these people. Next, who retained the position of the world's richest person in June 26 according to the Forbes World's Top 10 Richest People ranking? So Elon Musk stands on the top position here. His net worth soared to $1 trillion, right, after the IPO of SpaceX. Right, and with this he became the world's first trillionaire. Next, mention the Argentinian footballer who became the first individual footballer to win the Princess of Austria's Award for Sports in 2026 in June for his exceptional sporting achievement, global influence and charitable work. So, who is the famous Argentinian football player? Lionel Messi. Next, name that Indian Army officer who received the Berer Brooks Award for the Outstanding Master of Military Arts and Science thesis and the General Douglas MacArthur Military Leadership Writing Award at the United States Army Command and General Staff College in June 2026. So name that Indian Army officer who we are talking about. Right option here is Major Prabhat Mishra. He was honored with this award. Next is find the company that won the Rashtriya Ratna Samman 26 for emerging health tech and nutrition innovation startup of the year in June for developing India's first blood-led metabolic recovery system based on the millets and fermentation science. So find that company. This is Grasa Millets and Food Private Limited. Next is on June 10th, Journal Council of Sangeet Natak Academy, the National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama under the Ministry of Culture announced Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship, that is Academy Ratna Sadyasata for 2024 and 2025. Question is, who among the following are not selected for the Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship here for 25-26? Among the following, if we see, Shashidharan Nair has not been selected here. Rest all, that is Ramlal Barret, A.V. Anand, Rita Ganguly, Puru Dahij, all have been selected here. Next is name the person who was awarded the European Molecular Biology Organization Gold Medal 26 for research on the evolutionary origins of the nuclear organisms and cell division in June 2026. So name the person. Right option Gautam De. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the geographical indication tags granted in June to traditional products from Jharkhand and Assam. So if we look at the option, all the 3 options are rightly mentioned. Recently from Jharkhand, 11 products got GI tag, and from Assam, a total of 4 products recently got the GI tag. Next, which award did Padma Shri Sudarshan Patnaik win in June at the second International Festival of Sand Sculpture for his artistic excellence and environmental advocacy? So, which award did Padma Shri Sudarshan Patnaik win? Right option, Russia Grand Sand Masters Award, right? And he became the first Indian to win this award. Next, name the cadet who was awarded the Sword of Honor and President's Gold Medal at the passing out parade of 158th regular courses of the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Right option, who is that cadet? Vishal Kumar. Next, in June, Sarvam AI, India's full-stack sovereign artificial intelligence startup, became India's dash unicorn. So it became India's 130th unicorn, raising $234 million, right, as a part of their Series B funding round. What is a unicorn? When a company or a startup achieves a market cap of $1 billion. Next, mark the incorrect statement regarding the time 100 most influential people in sports released in June. So mark the incorrect statement here regarding the following. Option A is right and C is right. Sorry, option A is wrong and C is wrong, which is our answer. Right, we are saying that Time released the second edition of this 100 most influential people in sports list. Right, so this is the second edition. Is it so? So remember, this is not the second edition, but this is the inaugural edition of the most influential people in sports list. Then C is Harmanpreet Kaur emerged as the only Indian featured on the list under the Titans category. So no, not Harmanpreet Kaur, but Smriti Mandhana. Smriti Mandhana, a two-time International Cricket Council Women's Cricketer of the Year award winner, right? She was included in the Titans category here. Next, identify the state whose tribal music instrument Sardina received the GI tag lately. So this product is from Tripura that got the GI tag. And now Tripura has a total of 4 products that got GI tag. Next, name that Indian origin theoretical physicist who became the first person of Indian origin to receive the prestigious Wolf Prize in Physics for his pioneering discovery of composite fermions, which revolutionized the understanding of the fractal quantum Hall effect. So, name that Indian origin theoretical physicist. Who we are talking about? Janendra K. Jain. Next is Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited was upgraded from Mini Ratna Category 1 to Navratna CPSC in June, becoming the India's which number of Navratna? So it became India's 28th Navratna, right? 28th Navratna. Take a note. Next is identify the option that was not among the newly GI tagged products of Madhya Pradesh in June. Among the following, if we see here, Ratlami Save. This is not among the GI products that got from Madhya Pradesh. So rest all the products got the GI tag. Next, name the person who received the global prestigious award at the House of Lords of UK on 20th of June for their contribution towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. So name the person. Right option, Harsh Vardhan. Next, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited under the Ministry of Defence was upgraded to Navratna CPSC status by Department of Public Enterprise, making it India's which Navratna? So it became India's 29th Navratna. And if we see which was the 28th Navratna, it is CPCL, that is your Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. Next is identify the university whose 7 students were awarded the India AI Fellowship by the Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology for their innovative projects using AI and machine learning. Right option, Chandigarh University. Next, which of the following was not among the 6 youth-led startups recognized at the 8th Youth CoLab National Innovation Challenge held in June at the Technology Hub in Hyderabad, Telangana? Right option, Agrinova Tech. Next, students. Next is, in June, name that Indian chess grandmaster and deputy president of the International Chess Federation who was conferred the Sports Journalist Federation of India gold medal for his exceptional contribution to the Indian chess. So who we are talking about? Vishwanath Anand. Important question, students. Next, who was awarded the World Meteorological Organization's 71st International Meteorological Organization Prize in June for contribution to numerical weather prediction? So, who was awarded here? Dr. Florence Rabier. Next, in June, two Indian women conservationists, Praveen Sheikh and Barkha Suba, are among 6 who were honored with the 2026 Whitley Award, that is also known as the Green Oscar. This is for their exceptional work in protecting the endangered species. Right? So these are your important current affairs, students. Now let's move to some revision part that will be quite beneficial for you all. Next, students, let's discuss some one-liners. Let's start with banking and financial. India's gross GST collection rises 13.9% to 1.95 lakh crore rupees in June. Then UPI transaction moderate to 28.9 lakh crore in June, registered a 20% annual growth. Then 4 public sector banks pays 9,439 crore rupees dividend to the government for FY26. IRDAI granted registration to Prudential HLC Health Insurance as standalone health insurer. Then IFSCA proposes one KYC framework for GIFT IFSC to simplify the customer onboarding. HiviPay, they have received IFSCA in principle approval to set up PSP subsidiary at GIFT City. Then HDFC Bank launched in-house AI platform Neve and real-time fraud detection system. Then SEBI, they have constituted an expert group to review debenture trustees regulation. PayGlocal, they have launched Google Pay card payment for international transaction. Bank of Baroda and Mizuho Bank, they forged strategic partnership for M&A financing. Kotak Mahindra Bank to acquire Deutsche Bank India retail and wealth business. Next is appointments and resignation. Rajiv Kumar appointed the part-time chairman of HDFC Bank. MS Dhoni became national brand ambassador for DRIV. Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit takes charge as the Vice Chief of Air Staff. Anupam Mishra takes charge as the Chairman and Managing Director of Hindustan Copper Limited. Government extended Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri's tenure by 1 year. Then RBI appointed Ravi Shankar as the Executive Director starting from 1st July. Ravi Agarwal reappointed CBDT Chairman. Somnath Ghosh appointed India's next High Commissioner to Malaysia. Kiko Fujimori won the Peru presidential runoff and set to become country's next president. Then NPCI's Dilip Espe has joined SWIFT Global Supervisory Board. Rear Admiral retired Raghuram has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Hindustan Shipyard Limited. Next is related to defense, students. Indian Navy's Eastern Fleet ship has arrived in Singapore. Indian Navy to commission indigenous stealth frigate INS Mahendragiri under Project 17A. India and Japan has signed their first ever defense co-development agreement for Unicorn Communication Mast. Then if we go to sports, Indian women's cricket team has qualified for LA 2028 Olympic Games. LA is their Los Angeles 2028 Olympic Games. Then 135th Durand Cup to begin on 25th of July. Durand Cup is related to football. Then Australia has clinched the record 7th ICC Women's T20 World Cup title. Charles Leclerc has won the British Grand Prix, secured Ferrari's historic 25th Formula 1 victory. Then Harshvardhan GB became India's 97th Grandmaster. NC Sojan has broken the 22-year-old national record in the women's long jump. Stan Wawrinka announced retirement after illustrious tennis career. Then Neymar Jr. announced international retirement after ending career as the Brazil's all-time top scorer. So these are your important one-liners, students.